And a very good evening to all of you. I am Muhammad Tawqir. I am an alim. I have done alimiyat from Darul Uloom, Nadwatul Ulama, Lucknow. Recently, I have completed personality development program at Madarasa Baitul Uloom and Sunnah English Medium School. Today, I am here in front of you to introduce you our computer course. In our 9 months personality development program, we have learned computer as a subject, and we have been trained in this subject. And inshallah, my friends, they will come, they will explain their respective topics. But right now here, I'm going to introduce you our computer course, what we have learned within 9 months in computer. So I have divided my topic into 2 parts. The first one is theoretical part, the second one is practical part. Inshallah, I will explain both one by one. So in theoretical part, we had covered the basic topics that what is computer, what are the parts of computer, what is processor, what is RAM, what is difference between hard disk drive and solid state drive, and such other topics. So what is computer? Computer is an electronic machine which can take input, process, and give us output. And we can also store our data information in the computer. This is a very basic definition of computer. And computer is the collection of various parts such as monitor, mouse, keyboard, CPU, and UPS is optional, and it is used for providing the battery backup. And the difference between hard disk drive and solid state drive is that hard disk drive is very slow, whereas the speed and processing in solid state drive is very nice. And the processor is the part of CPU. Processor performs all the actions, all the processes which are happening in the computer. Processor is the brain of computer. RAM is the place where all data is placed while processor is processing it. This is the theoretical part. The second part is practical part, what we have practiced within 9 months in computer. So we had started with paint, which mastered us and helped us to control the mouse. After that, we have learned MS Office, that is Microsoft Word. And inshallah, my respected brother Muhammad Sindgi will explain it. And we have also learned Microsoft PowerPoint. And inshallah, I will put some words regarding to it as per the schedule. And we have also learned Microsoft Excel. And inshallah, my honorable brother Huzaifa Akbar will take this task. And we have also learned installation of any software in computer. And inshallah, my beloved brother Mu'in al-Huda will show us practically how to install any software in computer. And we have also learned CorelDRAW. Inshallah, my dignitary brother Muhammad Zubair will explain how to design in CorelDRAW. And we have also learned video editing. And inshallah, my friend Muhammad Shuaib will show how to edit any video. And within 9 months, we have also learned Urdu, Arabic, and English typing. And now we can prepare our documents and presentations in these languages. And the main very important and useful aspect during this course was that we had got enough time for practicing. And before coming here, before taking admission in personality development class, we were not that much aware of the computer. And we didn't have any experience and practice. But after the completion of this course, now we can do some works, some projects, and now we can use computer in a proper way. So my friends are waiting eagerly. So inshallah, they will come. They will explain their respective topics as per the schedule. So without any further delay, I conclude my talk. Thank you so much.